What's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing, and so today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to deposit money and then into Newton, the app that I'm using, and then send it to Binance, where you can trade for any cryptocurrency that you want. So today, since Dogecoin is kind of hot, well, it was hot. It fell down a bit to 45 cents. So we'll say maybe the title is like how to buy Dogecoin, but in reality, it's pretty much how to buy all the crypto, right? That's under the Binance Smart Chain, so under Binance, and let's go. Okay, so first, you want to create an account with Newton. So I'll have all the referrals down in the description below. So Newton, you get $25 if you use the referral, and then if you trade $100, you get $25 after you trade that $100. So yeah. And then with Binance, I have the referral. You can use it. If you don't want to use it, that's totally fine. It's up to you. So with Newton here first, what we want to do is add funds, and then depending on how you want to fund this account, mostly it will be, since I'm Canadian, and this is most likely for Canadian viewers only, just the deposit part, because the Binance part, it's pretty international. So Binance, it's most likely going to look the same for everyone. So with Newton adding funds, the fastest is crypto, from crypto wallet, but most likely you're new or you want to just send it to Binance. So we'll do e-transfer. So when we do e-transfer, so I have this email covered, but you will have your email address here when you create the account, and then you kind of type how much money you want to send in here. So if it's like $100 or $1,000, so the limit per e-transfer right now is $10,000, and the weekly limit is about $70,000. So depending on how much you send, most likely it takes about 5 to 10 minutes for this to come. So what you do is you select the amount that you want. So let's say $100, whatever, right? $100, and then we go send fund request. So when you do send fund request, you'll get an email. So when you get an email, it's pretty much like someone is requesting for you to send money. So if you ever use e-transfer, so you get an email requesting funds from Newton, and then you just select the bank you want to use to send the money, and then send the money to Newton. With this request, it should take 5 to 10 minutes, like I said. So all right, so now let's say you funded the account, and you'll see here that you have $100. So the best way to transfer from Newton to Binance is to trade it to XLM in Newton first, so that you can send the XLM Stellar to Binance. We do XLM because XLM has the lowest rate for transfers. It's really low. So we'll do XLM, and the way we do is we do trade, and then we select XLM. So select Ripple. There we go. No, sorry, XLM. Okay, other ways to do it like this. There we go. So you select max. So $100 max. You want to choose how much money you want to trade to XLM, and then it'll show you how much you're getting at this rate, and then you review trade, and then you press trade, and then that should be quick, and you'll get however many XLM. So for 100, it's probably going to be around I want to say 120, 130 maybe. So you get that 130 or so XLM, and so we're going to send it to Binance now. So with Binance, what we want to do is we want to do withdrawal, and we want to select crypto to wallet. So when we do crypto to wallet, so we'll select XLM. We want to do max, and we'll need two address. So one transfer address and one memo address. So we'll go to Binance. So now we go to Binance. Just make sure that we've created the account. Obviously we're going on knowing that you've already created the account, and we'll select wallet, fiat and deposit, and then we'll go deposit. Okay, so under deposit, since we're doing XLM and not any other coin, we choose crypto, and instead of Bitcoin here, we choose XLM. So just type it in, XLM, stellar. So we get that, and we get this warning to let you know that you also have to enter the memo as well. So we always do the address, but we also want to do memo now. So we do understand, and obviously this is blocked, but you get the address here and the memo, and you just want to copy this, copy here, and then here, paste it here, and then go back to Binance, copy the memo, and then paste the memo here. So once you've done that, make sure it's max, and then review withdrawal, and then send it. So we're out of Newton here. We're going to focus on Binance. So it'll take a few minutes, and once you get it, you'll get a notification here. So I think it's what was it, like maybe less than 5 minutes or so. If it's taking a few minutes longer, don't panic. Just wait it out. If you have any other issues, then just contact maybe customer service. But I haven't had that issue, so that's why you always want to make sure that the address is correct. So even if you copy and paste, just make sure it's correct, because you are sending money out there. So okay, so once you've got the account funded, what we'll do now is we'll do a trade and a classic, and we want to focus on trading US XLM to USDT. So we'll do XLM to USDT because with XLM, there's only so many other coins you can get. So Ethereum, BTC, Binance coin, Binance USD, USDT, Euro maybe, and then yeah. So you see how limited it is. So that's why we wanted to XLM to USDT. We press this, and always we want to select market, and then buy XLM, and drag this 100%, and it'll show you how many USDT you're getting, and then you'll select buy, and it'll just be really quick, and that transfer will already be done. So now I'm actually going to make a trade. So what I'm going to do is I am going to, since one of them is doing 40 plus, I'm going to sell some of them. So I'm going to sell some of Polygon right now. So I'll go into Binance, select Matic. So Matic to USDT. And I'm going to select market, and I'm going to select here. First, I just want to see how many dollar value I'm sending. So I want to send about 35. So that's 31%. So select market, and I want to do 31%. Sell Matic, right? So order is filled. So that's how it goes. And then now you just select which one you want to purchase. So now I'm going to go into cryptocurrency and pick the one that I want to buy. I could always buy Binance coin because it's going to gradually go up. But I want to increase my diversify my portfolio here. So what I'll do is I'll pick the one that's doing not so hot right now and get into that. So what I will do is I'll pick a bakery token. So I know it's bakery is bake. So I'll do bake.usdt, and right. Okay. I never got that notification before, but okay. I think it's because I haven't made that many trades. So now that I've crossed the threshold, I think they're just warning. Okay. So I select bake and I'll select buy. And you'll see the rate for bake is around 5.38 right now. I don't really care about limit orders. So I just select all of it. And I put bake, buy bake. Okay. So I select buy bake and it's been filled. And now I know that it's been filled. And if you want to check where it's been filled, you go back and you go here, and then we go into wallet and fiat. And sorry, you can also do by doing spot order and just look at the trade history. Okay, there we go. So it shows here Matic, we sold some, and then now it shows here that we bought some bake tokens. All right, so that's how it goes, and I'll show you the fees. So yeah, and that's how you do it. So yeah, so if you want to use the referral link in the description below to get started, that's how you do it. So there is another website that you can use, but I'm still in the process of testing it. So once I've kind of confirmed that it's good and that it's useful, then I'll maybe introduce it. It's another way, if Newton doesn't work that great, you can use that website to fund Binance. So yeah, and yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.